so hard to find nowadays, so we tend to buy in bulk on market days. And so even the market women are finding it hard to buy and sell, but anything. Hi guys, come along with me on the market day in Sunyani, Sun City for short. But did you know Sunyani's market day is on Wednesdays and it's mostly my working days? But thanks be to God for able-bodied work colleagues. So I bought some water to bath and I proceeded to make this delicious Tom Brown for work. When I reached work, I made my list, then I moved out. One colleague sent me to buy fufu for him, then I reduced some money as usual. So I went straight to the VRA as my power was almost done. And oh my god, there were people there. Then I entered the market. People, things were so expensive, but I bought them anyway. So I'll leave you to enjoy. Home sweet home, the feeling you get when you leave the market. So now let's proceed to showing you all the things that I got. After, I proceeded to wash all the meat and then the perishable goods and place them in there. I got these things not at a cheaper price, so I'll make sure it stays in the fridge for a very long time. And then I poured my onion into my basket. Then I did same for the ginger. Then I proceeded to show you my apron. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.